Hey guys, it's Miss Kristie from the Warrensburg branch, and I'm back with another brain lab that you can do with items from around your home. The book I'm using is called Brain Labs for Kids, 52 Mind-Blowing Experiments, Models, and Activities to Explore Neuroscience by Eric H. Chudler. For Unit 5, Lab 19, we will make our own scratch and sniff cards. Let's find out how they work. Your sense of smell, also known as olfaction, is the other sense that can detect chemicals in your environment. You are able to pick up on smells as long as they float in the air and into your nose. Like taste, smells can be either pleasant or might help you avoid unsafe foods, drinks, and environments. Smell can allow you to enjoy the aroma of freshly baked cookies or alert you of smoke from a fire. When the chemicals from the environment enter your nose, they dissolve in a layer of mucus on the olfactory epithelium, which is a membrane inside of your nose. When you pinch your nose closed, the airflow to the receptors in your nose is blocked, which is why you are not able to smell a thing. After they dissolve, the chemicals attach to the hair cells or receptors on the olfactory epithelium that are connected to axons. These axons send electrical signals to the olfactory bulb, which sends information then on to the brain. The labs in this section explore how your sense of smell works, as well as how taste and smell work together to help the brain form a picture of a full object. Do you remember back to the right and left brain video and which side of the brain is responsible for memory? The right side is. Many brain areas that receive information about smell are part of the limbic system. The limbic system is important for emotional behavior and memory. Because of the close association between smell, emotions, and memory, some smells can remind you of people, places, and events from the past. As you go about your day, think about the smells you come across and the memories that they produce. You might trigger a strong memory when you smell a particular flower or freshly baked cookies. For Lab 19, we will make a scratch and sniff card. It will be similar to a perfume card inside a magazine, but you can use items from around the house. For this lab, you will need scissors, paper, cardboard, or an index card, dried herbs like basil, rosemary, and oregano, spices like cinnamon and cloves, flowers, and glue. For my scratch and sniff card, I use seasonings and flours I had on hand, which include Italian and taco seasoning, bay leaves that I have crunched up, and rose petals. On the left, I am using bay leaves, and on the right, I am using rose petals. On the left side of your screen, I am picking up some bay leaf pieces and rubbing them between my fingers to help make them a smaller size. While on the right, I mix the rose petals and glue together. Once everything is mixed, I place it on an index card and I allow it to dry. I was able to find some essential oils lying around and decided to give it a try. Here I am using peppermint essential oil. Using the same method as before, I mix my oil and glue and then place that mixture onto an index card and allow it to fully dry. Here are all my dried scratch and sniff cards. I have rose petals, peppermint oil, bay leaves, Italian seasoning, lavender oil, and taco seasoning. You can use anything smelly around your house. I used my peppermint scratch and sniff card, but first I made sure it was dry. Then I scratched the top of the card, allowing chemicals to be released, allowing me to smell the peppermint. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.